this simple, ugly looking website is generating from $10,000 to more than $20,000 a month, but you're going to be blown away how it generates that money. Here's a hint: it provides brainwave frequencies. So the goal for today's video is to show you step by step how you can replicate the same website using AI. And by the way, my name is Ross, and for the past 10 years I've built multiple similar one-page websites that generated hundreds of thousands of dollars for my company. Here is this one-page website, which is called forgeniuswave.com. This website is making money by selling a digital audio file similar to something that you can find on YouTube when you type brainwaves for concentration, and you can find like the first video has 221 million views. This website is selling audio, like noise, you can play while you're studying or working so you can focus, and it can activate your cognitive function. Now, how they attract clients, how they find people to buy these brainwaves? Well, this website is listed on a marketplace called ClickBank. ClickBank is an affiliate marketing platform with millions of users. We can see the Genius Wave. This is the website, and if I click and open it on a new tab, we can see the same website. In ClickBank, the first stat we see is the average commission a person is getting when it's promoting the website. This is about $50 score, and the gravity score is the measurement of how many people are currently making sales. In other words, we have 103 people who are currently making at least one sale. In reality, they make way more sales. The traffic to the website and all the customers come from affiliates who are promoting this website. Furthermore, I'm going to show you another marketplace similar to ClickBank but more powerful, where we're going to list our brand new website where we can get traffic and customers to start buying what we sell on the website. Let's copy now the URL of the website right here, and we're going to use our first AI tool, which is called Notebook LM. This is an AI tool from Google which you can use as your personal advisor and analytical person that can help you create all types of sorts of analytics, researches. In Notebook LM, I'm going to click create a new notebook, and in here I'm going to paste the website that I just copied. Here is the summary of this website, and I can see this is the keyword right here that says this website, the Genius Wave, is an audio series designed to enhance brain power. It's now time for us to not just copy and paste the website for us. It's time to improve what they have. In other words, we want not to be the competitor. We want to dominate this sector. We want to create first a better product, a better user experience, and a better website. This is how I've been making money for all these years. Not just copying and pasting stuff, but improving what already works. Whatever you're doing online, just make something good, make something people value. And if you're expecting to make money in just one day overnight, that's not gonna happen. Let's cut it. I'm showing you something that can potentially bring you a lot of money, but it's going to involve some time. You have to spend hours to work on it. But of course, like I showed you in the beginning, we're going to be using AI, and the AI is going to pretty much automate everything for you. So now I'm going to open YouTube. How to improve my brain power. There we go. And I can find all of these videos of different neuroscientists, physicians, thinkers, philosophers like this guy. This is Andrew Huberman. He's very well known in this neuroscientific industry. And this, guys, is how you create a great product. Not by you coming up with ideas, but by you combining all of these different philosophers with amazing minds who can help people and combining them into Notebook LM. Let me show you how it's done. You go on YouTube and you start copying and pasting each of these videos. So I'm going to copy the URL of this video, let's say, with 4 million views, copy link address, and I'm going to paste it in Notebook LM. Here where it says sources, I'm going to click add, and I can add a video, as you can see here, YouTube, and I'm going to just paste this link I just copied, and your job is to paste as many links as you possibly can, because once you do that, I'm going to tell the AI tool, please let me know all the important information in the videos and give me actionable steps I can take to improve my brain focus. And here's the brief the AI tool gave me. And keep in mind, some of the YouTube videos are 1-2 hour long. I'm gonna copy this valuable information like this. I'm gonna hit copy, and then I'm gonna open ChatGPT, and here please create me a lovable.dev prompt to create a website based on this info. And I'm gonna put column, and I'm gonna paste the entire info like this, and I'm gonna hit enter. Here we go. Our prompt is now ready to be copy and pasted, so I'm gonna hit this icon, copy. We're gonna open the website or the AI that is going to create our website or one page landing page. And this is called lovable.dev. Paste the prompt ChatGPT gave you and you simply hit enter. It's time to create the actual product, the sound waves that is going to help our brain function. And by the way, if you like the information in this video so far, hit the like button of the video. That means a lot to me and I appreciate and I love you. Anyways, the website is still loading, but now time to create our Soundwave product. For that, we're going to use another AI tool called Suno.com. So this is an AI that creates music, songs, tracks, soundtracks. Now I have signed up here and this is my workspace and I already have a bunch of sound waves I can use. But in here in the description, this is the prompt. You can describe what you need. And in our case, I need a sound wave noise that activates my brain function, improves my brain focus. If you want to add some more stuff, you can always go to ChatGPT and see the tool, what it gave you as a prompt. I can see mental clarity. There we go. Laser focus. So I'm going to highlight and copy this mental clarity and laser focus. Paste that, laser focus and mental clarity. That's pretty much it. And then you hit this button, create. And while this is loading, the best thing you can do is when you're trying to improve someone else's product, best practice is to actually buy the product and see what they sell. So in other words, go and purchase the product you're going to be recreating. So I already know what they sell because I've bought this product. But if you're brand new, just buy it and just see the checkout process, see what they offer, see how they sell it, and just taste the product and see how you can improve it. That's the kicker. Lovable.dev just created our website. It looks very stylish and very professional. Back in the day, it used to take me weeks to create similar website. Now, with the power of AI, you can see I have it in just a couple of seconds. Now, I don't like that it says download your free focus protocol because we are obviously going to sell something. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna tell the AI, hey, I'm selling something here, so don't offer anything for free. To do that, I'm gonna open this sidebar and I'm gonna click edit, or I'm gonna actually ask Lovable to please don't offer anything for free. Instead, offer a brainwave audio file that costs, let's say, I don't know, 20 bucks. Like this, and I'm gonna hit enter. And so now the tool should change our entire website, and instead of free focus protocol, it should say buy our sound waves. Boom. And it did change it. Look at this. Get your brainwave audio protocol, 20 bucks. Let's scroll down to see if we have it at the bottom as well. Oh, it has to change it at the bottom as well. So if the tool, the AI tool, doesn't change something, just tell it to change it. Tell him, hey, you didn't change it at the bottom, you didn't change this button, so change everything. Oh, the entire landing page. And it's going to do it. That's done. Final part is to go back to Suno, and we can see Suno already has our audio file with pulsing electronic noise hypnotic eternal tones, sound waves, experimental electronic ambient, whatever. So let's play them and see here what they actually are. All right, this is good. Let's see this one. Okay, this is also good. Let's see this one. Brainwave noise. Ooh, that's a real one. This is what we wanted. So play around with Suno and create as many sound waves like this one, and you can combine them into one big file, or just list them as tracks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. I'm now gonna blow your way by providing a bonus, because this website that we're copying, this one, the forgeniuswave.com, doesn't have any bonuses. But because like I told you in the beginning, we want to improve and outsmart the competition, we're going to provide an amazing bonus, which is going to be done from Notebook LM, where you just created your files here. On the right side, you're going to see this button, Deep Dive Conversation. Hit the generate button and you're going to be amazed. This is what it gave to me. Now, this is an audio file, 14 minutes long, that summarizes everything from all the YouTube videos you provided to. So you can provide hundreds, even hundreds of hours of YouTube videos and contents and files, and the AI tool is going to create you an audio summary of all the information, and it's going to filter out only the most important information, the one that is the most valuable for you and your customers. So let's check it out. This is the audio file. It sounds like a podcast. Let me play it for you. Check this out.
Today, we're looking at unlocking and really boosting your brain's power. Everything from clarity and focus right through to memory.
Sounds like a big topic.
It is. And you've given us this, fascinating stack of sources. We've got neuroscientists, insights from a spiritual leader, some really interesting dietary research, and even a look at one of those commercial products that claims it can activate your genius. Quite the mix.
Definitely diverse perspectives.
Exactly. So our mission today, to pull out the most potent bits of knowledge from all this, we need to separate, the hype from what you can actually use.
Right, tickle takeaway.
The goal is finding those simple but maybe profound ways to enhance your cognitive abilities wherever you're starting from. So expect some surprising facts, some really actionable stuff. Hopefully you'll feel, pretty well informed on boosting brain power by the end.
Okay, let's...
Foundational.
Did you see? Did you listen to this? This is astonishing. This is groundbreaking. You have a conversational type of a podcast audio file that sounds like real humans, which summarizes all the information and spits it into very easy to digest short conversational audio podcast file. Now, if that's not amazing, I don't know what is. It blows my mind. So what we can do, we can provide this as a bonus to our sound waves from Suno. In other words, the people who are going to buy from our website this one, they're not only going to buy the sound waves, but they're going to get a file that is going to teach them some valuable information, how to improve their brain function, what to do, what foods to eat, how to practice, etc., etc. Once you have everything done, the final part is to obviously bring some traffic to your website, basically eyeballs of people who will be very interested in your product. Now, you can do this two ways. You can do it on your own. You can go on Facebook ads, Instagram ads, TikTok ads, and try to find these people. Or you can go the second route, where you onboard affiliates, like I showed you in the beginning. The website is listed on ClickBank, but the other place that people are not very aware of is called digistore24.com. This is another affiliate marketing platform where you can list your website that you just created, and on Digistore24 there are thousands of affiliates who are eager for new websites and new landing pages to promote. So you don't have to create your own targeting. You don't have to find customers. You're going to onboard an army of affiliates who are very skilled, who know how to bring people to websites. Now, obviously that comes to a cost, and the cost is a commission. In order to make affiliates happy and to attract them to promote your website, you have to give them a commission. So let's say your product, or we are selling this wave noise for $20. Ideally, you want to give 50% to the affiliates. So it's 50-50 split, and it's a win-win, because what do you pay? You don't pay anything. You've created a product out of thin air. So I think it's very fair to give even a higher commission to the affiliates, 75%, 80%. Heck, even if you give affiliates $18 and you bring back just $2 to your bank, that's still a win for you, because you don't have any cost, despite maybe hosting, but the hosting is maybe like $10-15 a month to host the website, and that's pretty much it. So that's how it works, guys. Now, what you should do from here is, once you have this website, your next step is to create another digital product, which is going to be an ebook. And if you want to see that, I'm explaining step by step how to do it in the video here in the top left corner. Click that video and I'll walk you through how to create your digital ebook and double and even triple your revenue.